This tutorial will guide you on how to record your online meetings. To start the recording process, click your intercom icon and then the recording icon. You'll notice the recording status will become active instantly. It's important to note that recording privileges are not exclusive to administrators. Any participant can initiate this feature unless this is restricted by user permission settings. I won't turn my camera on, but I'll type something for the demonstration. Virola recording captures all aspects of the meeting, including video, audio, and text communications. Once you stop the recording, a new window will appear with several options. You can choose to send the video file directly to the current meeting room or select another private or public chat to send it to. Additionally, you have the option to play back the recording, located in the folder, or delete it if necessary. I'll send my video file directly to the management room and then click on the video to play it. You'll notice that only the management chat room space has been recorded, while my chat room list on the left remained private. It's also worth mentioning that Virola exclusively records its interface. You can personalize your recording by right-clicking on the file and selecting a more appropriate name. If you wish to modify the default directory for video storage, simply navigate to the settings, select folders, and there you can verify or alter the path for your meeting recordings. With these steps, you're now equipped to record your meetings effectively. Stay tuned for the next video about Virola notifications.